back guys, so I'm back with a new recipe and today I'm cooking a mouth-watering dish which is chicken do pyaza. Now this dish is loved by many people in our restaurants because this has that tanginess and the crunch of onions that people love. So let's start cooking. So for this recipe I'll be using 750 grams of chicken and I'm using chicken with bone and I'm gonna marinate this chicken first. I'll be using a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and I'm gonna mix this all. So we don't have to marinate this chicken for a long time. We'll just marinate it for 10 minutes while we'll start making our tadka. Just mix it all nicely. So after mixing it, I'll just keep it aside for 10 minutes. So for my tadka, I'll be making a quick paste here, for which I've got 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, to which I'll be adding some spices, about 1 teaspoon of degi mirch, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and just mix it all. I'll also use 2 tablespoons of water for it to make a nice thick paste, and we'll use it when our onions turn brown. So now I'll start making the tadka, for which I've got 5 tablespoons of oil. Let this heat up. Now I'll be adding some whole spices, 1 bay leaf, 3 pieces of green cardamoms and 1 cinnamon stick. Just let these spices cook for another 30 seconds. So my spices have cooked for 30 seconds. At this stage I'll be adding some onions. These are 3 onions. So I'm using sliced onions. You can even use chopped onions. Now I'll cook these onions till they turn nice golden brown in color. And they should be nice dark golden brown in color. Keep on stirring them on medium heat. So now my onions have turned nice golden brown in color. At this stage I'll be adding in my ginger garlic paste mixture. So I usually mix my spices along with ginger garlic paste, which helps in even cooking of both ginger garlic paste and spices, and it also avoids the spices from burning. So I'll cook this for another 2 minutes now, and I'm cooking my spices on medium heat, and we'll cook it till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone. So my ginger garlic paste mixture is nicely cooked now. It's time to add in the tomatoes. I'm using tomato puree, and this is homemade tomato puree made out of 2 tomatoes, and we're gonna cook it for another 2 minutes till the tomatoes are nicely cooked, and I'm cooking it on a medium heat. So the oil has started to come on surface. That means the masala is nicely cooked. At this stage I'll be adding in my marinated chicken, and I'll cook this chicken with the masala. I'll also be adding some salt in it. You can add salt according to your taste. And I'll be cooking this without any water because we need the chicken to be seared with the masala nicely for at least 10 minutes. So this will help the chicken to soak in all the flavors from the masala. So after searing the chicken for another 10 minutes, I'll be adding in some water. So I'm using half a cup of water. Don't use a lot of water in it. Just mix it all together nicely. Bring it to a boil. And now I'll cover it for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, my chicken is cooked 70%. Just mix it all nicely. So my chicken is cooked to 70% at this stage. At this stage, I'll be adding in 50 grams of curd, and this is beaten curd. So before adding your curd, just switch your heat on low flame and stir it continuously. So at this stage I'll again cover the chicken and cook it for another 10 minutes till it is 100% cooked. So after 10 minutes, my chicken is cooked perfectly now. The curd is also nicely cooked and oil has started to come on top. Now at this stage, I will be adding in some onions, and I will be using some diced onions. Just half onion is enough. Just mix it nicely. So we don't have to cook these onions with the masala. We'll just mix it all through. Because chicken do pyaza is all about the crunch of onions. I'll also be adding some chopped coriander. Mix it all well. So to finish it, I'll just add in half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it all together nicely. And our chicken do pyaza is ready to dig in. So guys, this was chicken do pyaza recipe for you. Do share your feedback in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, bye and take care.